Howdy team, this is part 4 of converting your website into an Android app. Today we'll be setting up the back button. Alright, so now we're going to update the the native back button on the Android device so that it works with the WebView container, because by default it won't really be hooked up to it. So now if I run the app, boot it up, and we'll just click on something. If I press the back button, it just exits the app. Alright, so we're going to make that respond to the WebView. Alright, so to do this, all we have to do is head over to our main activity Java file, which is under app Java domain main activity.java. Alright, so if we grab the bit of code we've got for the back button from our copy paste guide, we'll paste this just before the closing bracket of your main activity class. Alright, so just right here. If you've got it in the wrong spot, you'll know some of the brackets will be red. It'll tell you you've buggered it up, and if you try to run the app, it'll crash. But anyway, what we've got here, if we're on the web view and we can go back, it'll go back. Otherwise, if they're only at the start of the app, so if pressing back would exit the app, it will open this dialog that tells them, oh, you're going to exit the app. Do you actually want to do that? With a yes, no answer. All right, so if we run this, okay, there's our new version of the app. So if we go, we'll just go into one level, press back. All right, now it's responding. And now if we go back one further, it should pop up with this message because it's at the point where it's going to exit the app. And it basically tells them. If they say, no, I don't want to exit the app, it does nothing. If they say, yes, I do want to exit the app, it'll close.